I don't understand these keynotes. How do I apply them in my life? Carolyn was so confused. I know just like Carolyn, there are many of you who are encountering the same problem. So I've decided to add a commentary to every motivational video I upload to help you understand the videos better. So let's start right away. If you haven't watched the video I'm doing the commentary on, it's in the description box. The first keynote we jotted down was self-interest is good when it benefits everybody. Initially, I didn't really agree with Jim Rohn, because if I'm doing something that is what I really want and I know that it's going to benefit me, like self-interest, why should I sit down to think about it, whether it's going to affect people badly or it's going to affect people positively? But I came up with this. Just ask yourself this question: the kind of goal that you want to achieve, the kind of thing that you want to go in for. If someone close to you, whether your husband, whether your wife, whether your kids, or someone, a relative, if they are going in for the same thing that you want to go in for right now, will it affect you negatively or it's going to affect you positively? If it's going to affect you negatively, then you should know that what you are about to go in for is also going to affect them badly. So you don't have to continue it. The bottom line here is do unto others what you want them to do to you. The second on my list is life was not designed to give us what we want, but what we deserve. Just like many of you, I've also been in situations where I complained that I deserve more or I deserve better because I'm putting in all my efforts, I'm doing everything. But I agree with Jim Rohn. If you agree to this, please let me know in the comment section. And if you do not agree, to let us know why you do not agree. I think the main reason why we always say we are doing a lot, we are putting in all the effort, but we see no outcome is because we think we are doing the right thing. The last time my friend was complaining about how she's trying everything but her hair is not growing, and I asked her, what and what have you really done? And trust me, she didn't really give me any tangible thing that she has really done. And I think that is the problem with many of us, because there's a difference between putting in the right effort at the right time and putting in an effort. So ask yourself if you are putting in the right efforts or you are just putting in an effort. Don't be quick to say I'm doing everything the right way. What do you think about getting a third party or a person who will help you know whether you are doing the right thing or not? Maybe a coach, a mentor, or even a friend. Reaping is for the planters. That's next we'll be talking about, but let me chip this in. This video is sponsored by the like button. So if you are learning something new and you're really enjoying this video, give it a like. Now let's continue with reaping is for the planters. In my opinion, I would say this is very simple. It's not enough to say I want to be the biggest YouTuber or the best dancer or the best this. You have to put in the work. If you put in nothing, absolutely you'll get nothing. In my own terms, I think it's either you plant in a rich seed to get exactly what you want, or a poor seed to get an outcome but it's not exactly what you want, or a dead seed. That's when you get nothing. Before I move on to the next keynote, if you have something to say about the keynotes I've discussed with you so far, please let us know in the comment section. Now the fourth keynote is keep knocking, you find. So Mariam is your best friend. She's inside. She has refused to open the door for you because of a little argument you had with her. You've knocked for some time and she's not willing to open the door. You have some choices to make, to either leave or to keep knocking hoping she'll open the door. In real life, Mariam is your focus. your self-interest, what you want to achieve. But sometimes you keep pushing, you keep doing, you keep putting all the efforts, nothing is really working. Quitting, I don't think is best. I think consistency is the best. I believe in consistency. So if there's someone watching me who has practiced consistency and it has really worked for you, please share your story in the comment section to inspire someone. I believe there's someone out there who really wants to hear your story. If this is your first time here, I upload motivational and personal development videos like this one. So remember to subscribe, especially when you are enjoying this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I have another keynote here, which is needing is not efficient until you qualify. Charles says he wants $10 and he's not doing anything to get the $10. That's not how life works. If you want $10, the first question to ask yourself is, how do I get the $10? If you want to have a good house to live in, it all starts with a how question, not just needing it. I sometimes fall short here, but I've learned something new today, that if I want something, the first question to ask myself is, how do I get it? That's the beginning of deserving. And when you are able to ask yourself the how, then you will know how to go about it. Once again, if you haven't watched the video I'm doing the commentary on, it's in the description box. Another keynote Jim Rohn talked about is, you get what you deserve. This, I am sure, is in connection with the one that says life was not designed to give us what we need, but what we deserve. If you want something badly, work on deserving it first. The question to ask yourself is, what process should I begin to deserve what I want? When you get the answer, you work on the answer and you are good to go to start deserving. The next on my list here is, if you search, you'll find. With this one, let's go back and look into the lives of inventors. Those who invented aeroplane, light bulb, and some other things that we know. You could see that they had to search, try, fail, search again, try again, fail, and the cycle continues like that until they finally succeeded. So keep searching. If there is something that you really want to start but you have no knowledge of, I am sure there are a lot of information on the internet. If it's a class that you had to sign up for, if whatever that you have to do to get the information, if it's legal, then you should go ahead and search it until you find, because if you continually search, you are going to find it one day, only if you don't give up. We have one important keynote here, which is, take your seed to the marketplace, not your need. I was trying to figure out what this marketplace here stands for. The marketplace here can be anywhere you can get what you want or what you want to achieve. It can also include people who will need your interest, who will need your goal, your products, who will need your skills, your talents. So let's say you want to start selling online. Your marketplace is on the internet, and also the people that you are selling to. Your seed involves what you are selling, your brand, the strategies you are using to attract these people. So the marketplace can be the hospital, the gym, the football park, like anywhere that you can achieve your goal. So Jim Rohn was telling us that if your goal is to achieve this, go to the place where you can get it. There is this controversial phrase on my list, which is, Service to many leads to greatness. The question is, how does service lead to greatness? Please, if you have any idea, let me know in the comment section. But this is what I came up with. Here is John. He serves both the customers and employees in XYZ company. He runs errands for them and do anything they ask him to do. Now Chris meets John and was impressed about how John goes about his work. His humility, his respect and kindness to everyone. So he tells John, let me know what you really want to start in life and I'm ready to help you. You see, serving can lead you to your greatness if you serve with all your heart. So this brings us to the next key phrase, be faithful when the amount is small. John had favor in the eyes of Chris because he was faithful and diligent in carrying his duties. Sometimes we neglect the small crowd, the small amount because we feel it's small. But the last keynote says you never know who is in the crowd. You never know who is in the audience. That small crowd has people you do not know. I have this channel, I've made this video, and you're watching me, but I don't know you. I don't know what you do. I don't know who you are. So, note to you and note to me. We do not know who is in the crowd. So, we must be diligent, faithful, and above all, show love in whatever that we do. Please remember to subscribe if you have been able to watch this video to this point. Let me know what you think about my commentary. Your comment means a lot to me.